Hello all, Wave Rider here with another demo for Roman Candle Month. And this time we've got 10 Shots Chrysanthemum by Caliber Fireworks. It's a 10 shot. Anyway, I was suggested by this from the owner of Jerry's Fireworks. She said this was a great candle if you like noise, and it has a great effect too. But we'll be the judge of that once we try this out. Anyway, here's a loose candle here from a pack that I have. Here's the logo, Caliber Fireworks, 10 shots, Chrysanthemum. And here's the typical warning. It says shoots flaming balls with report. Typical warning for a candle. Says don't point at other people, shoot in your hands or anything like that. But anyway, nothing really special about the packaging other than that. Anyway, let's go outside and give this a try. Well, catch you guys outside.
Well, it's dark outside, and I'm enjoying a Not Your Father's root beer, 5.9% alcohol. So, actually, I like this stuff. It actually tastes like root beer, and you barely taste the alcohol. So, cheers to you. But anyways, cheers. Anyways, let's go give this a try real quick. I'm gonna try the 10 shots Chrysanthemum Roman candle. Let's go walk. I'm gonna do this in the driveway here. Place this. Here's got this old tube, cardboard tube I'm using as a candle holder for my Roman candles. Alright, let's give this a try. Come on, light. There you go. Well, whoa, that's been shooting off in all different directions. I like it. It shoots high. Okay, that is good. I actually like that a lot. 10 shots. Anyway, yeah, I'll buy this again if I ever run across them. I think I took the last pack. Anyway, you guys have a great evening. Bye.